Hello guys, I want to solve a problem in 5.1, that is of the work power and energy. Okay, so in this what they want, see here, the sign of the work done by a force on a body is important to understand. State carefully if the following quantities are positive or negative. So as we know that basic concept you should know. See here, work done is equal to F dot S cos theta. So if theta is equal to 0 degree, so work done will be positive. If theta is equal to 90 degree, so put the value of theta as 90 degree, so work done will be equal to 0, because theta has a value cos 90 degree has a value 0 degree. Now, if theta is equal to 180 degree, that is equal to when a force is applied in this direction and displacement happens in opposite direction. So, in this case, work done will be equal to cos 180 degree, that is equal to negative value. You will get negative value. So, here by using this concept, I would like to solve this question. So, a work done by a man in lifting a bucket out of the well. So for example, there is a bucket, okay, and a man lift this bucket in upward direction. So force by man is applied in this direction, upward direction, and the displacement is also in this direction. So definitely the angle between this both is 0 degree. So work done will be positive. Work done will be positive. So first case, the work done is your positive. Now case number 2, work done by a gravitational force in the above case. So as we know that in above case, so force displacement is above, but force due to gravity is downward. So theta is equal to here 180 degree. So work done will be Fs cos 180 degree. So it means that this will be minus Fs. So work done by the work done by the gravitational force is your negative. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Now I will work done by the friction force on a body sliding down by an inclined plane. So let us solve this question. Now work done by the friction on a body sliding down by an inclined plane. See here. So this is your inclined plane, and a body is moving downward. So as body is moving downward, so friction force will be in opposite direction. So displacement in downward direction and friction force is in opposite direction. So theta is your here 180 degree, and theta is 180 degree. It means that work done will be F work done due to frictional force into S into cos 180 degree. So definitely we are going to get a negative result. So for this also we are getting negative result. I hope you have understood now, right? Okay. Now next is your work done by an applied force on a body moving on a rough horizontal plane with the uniform velocity. So since let us consider this, an object is moving in this direction. Okay. So as object is moving, work done by a force applied on a body. Since a force is being applied by the on the body is F, and as you know that the body will move in this direction. So theta is here 0 degree. So theta is 0 means what? The angle between this applied force and the displacement. So work done will be equal to cos 0 into F into S. So this will be positive answer. You will get positive result. Whatever value you will have a magnitude of a force as well as displacement, but the final value you will get is your positive. Now work done by the resistive force of air on a vibrating pendulum in bringing it to the rest. As we know that resistive force is resistive force. Resistive force will always act opposing the motion. So definitely it will act in opposite direction. So as we know that when a force is being applied in opposite direction and displacement in another direction, so theta is equal to 180 degree. So for this case, work done will be equal to negative, because see here, try to understand, when a pendulum is vibrating, okay, so when pendulum is going upward, air is resisting in downward. So when pendulum is suppose when pendulum is coming downward, so air will resist in upward. So there is always an resistive or an opposing force. So whenever there is an opposing force, so the angle between both the force and the displacement will be 180 degree, and cos 180 degree has a negative value. So here work done will be negative. I hope you all have understood this question's answer. Thank you everyone.